This is yellow ochre, actually from the tube, and I'm going to be mixing this colour as close as possible. We're going to start with yellow because it's the lightest colour. Then adding a small amount of red. And a smaller amount of blue. Too much red, so just add more blue. When you think you've got it near to the colour that you want, check against. That's fairly close, it's still a little bit too red. So I'm going to add a bit more yellow and a bit more blue possibly. There we go, I think that's actually fairly close. No, still need more blue. Don't want to overdo the blue because it's quite strong. Fairly close, so only a small amount of blue. That looks fairly spot on. Yep, that's near enough for it. That's not the only way to make it. You can use it by using the yellow, the red and black. So again, larger amounts of yellow, smaller amount of red, and even a smaller amount of black. You can also use it using primary yellow and raw sienna. Raw sienna and yellow. Another way to mix it is with lemon yellow and black. Lemon yellow and black make a green, so then you want to offset that by using a small amount of red. Oops, overkill on the red. Let's try that again. Lemon yellow and black. Very close.